Welcome to Smart Kitchen Products Hub. Today we're taking a closer look at the COSORI 10-cup rice cooker. With its family-size capacity and modern digital controls, this rice cooker is designed to make everyday cooking easier. It combines a sleek countertop design with a wide range of cooking options for busy kitchens. One of its biggest advantages is versatility, with 18 cooking functions for preparing much more than ordinary rice. Fuzzy logic technology helps adjust the cooking process, while the ceramic-coated inner pot provides a convenient, non-stick cooking surface. Whether you're making white rice, brown rice, or other grains, the COSORI is designed for consistent cooking results. The steaming function also lets you prepare vegetables and other foods while making better use of your countertop space. You can also steam, sauté, slow cook, and prepare a variety of everyday meals with its different cooking programs. That flexibility makes this more than just a rice cooker. It's a useful multi-purpose kitchen appliance. With a 10-cup capacity, it's particularly suitable for family meals, meal preparation, and larger servings. Cleanup is also made easier with dishwasher-safe accessories, helping simplify your cooking routine. Features like the keep warm and delay timer functions also give you more flexibility when planning your meals. So, who is this cooker best for? It's a strong option for families and anyone looking for more versatility than a basic rice cooker. If you're considering the COSORI 10-cup rice cooker, check the latest Amazon price and availability using the link in the description. For more Smart Kitchen product reviews, follow Smart Kitchen Products Hub. Thanks for watching.